Hey, today I'm gonna show you our not so typical, cozy and Instagrammable office. Welcome to Plannable. First things first, let's pet Emma, such an instant mood booster. Now, we're going to the couch downstairs, but before the hustle, let's take a quick break. This is our mini library. It's just next to the kitchen, where you can find all the good snacks, amazing coffee, and oh, let's say hi to Mihai. He's setting up our lunch, because yeah, we have free lunches every workday. And fruits, of course. On the walls you can see our logo, memories, milestones, and even a few awkward poses. And up we go, stairs, seriously more stairs. Oh, hi Monica, and Raluca and Christy. If it's on the whiteboard, it's either serious or seriously fun. Juana's in the zone, focused in her favorite spot, and this is our open space, where keyboards click, brains tick, and the shh, it's pretty quiet in here. There go Andrea and Bianca off to a meeting. Tam tam tanananam. Look at them how fast they're moving. Must be important. Quick room check. Oops, we're all about catching those ideas. And phones. Now, let me show you a quick behind the scenes gem. So tired from all the stairs, it's time to rest. Nah, just kidding. There's still a lot I want to show you. Don't mind the flickering lights. Quick pause. Guess what's next? Yeah, more stairs. Serious leg day today. Xenia is in CEO mode, doing, well, CEO stuff, while the entire team is having fun at our social Friday. Board games, drinks, and enough good vibes to make you wish you were here. The noise level, let's just say the office is all fun and games right now. And that's the tour. Join us, and don't forget, Emma's waiting for her pets.